Hi, my name is Muaz, and in this video we will be going through exercise 6.4. And in this exercise we will be creating and using an IAM role. We will be going from steps 1 through 15. So we're going to head over to the AWS Management Console, and from here we're going to head over to IAM. And from here we're going to head over to roles. And we're going to click Create Role. And we're going to choose AWS Service, and we're going to choose EC2 for the service. And then click Next Permissions. And over here we're going to attach the S3 read-only access. Right here. So now if I attach this role to an EC2 instance, it will be able to read S3. Next, Review, and we're going to name this role S3 Client, and we're going to create our role. Okay, so let me just S3 Client 1 and click Create Role. So S3 Client 1 has been successfully created. So now we're going to head back and launch an EC2 Linux instance. We already know how to launch instances, so I will go through these steps quickly. Click Launch Instance. Choose the Amazon Linux AMI, the instance type. And over here is where we assign the IAM role. So from here we're going to go down and choose our IAM role, which is S3 Client 1, and we're going to click Next, Add Storage, Add Tags. We'll add a tag. So this has this EC2 instance will be able to read S3. Okay, so next, configure security group, choose the appropriate security group, review and launch your instance, and make sure you choose your key pair, and click View Instances, and just wait for your instance to launch, and make sure you go convert your .pem file to PPK, and we're going to use PuTTY to connect to our instance. So once the instance is running, choose your instance, click Connect, and copy the user at the public DNS. And head over to PuTTY and paste your host name, your username at your public DNS. Go to SSH authorization, and over here we're gonna upload our private key file that we've converted. Click and open, and we've successfully connected to our Linux instance. So I made the font bigger so it's easier to see. So we're going to try to list our buckets. So make sure you have some buckets in S3 if you don't already have. So AWS3LS, and there we go. We can read S3, so it's listing all of the buckets that I have, and I can also see what is in these buckets. So if I do AWS S3LS, S3, and let's see what's in bucket Muaz 10. And there we go. It gave me a list of all the objects that's in that bucket. So let's say I try to create a bucket. So let's try to create a new bucket called Muaz 2018. It will say access denied because we only have the rights to read S3 and not make any changes or create buckets. So that's it for this exercise. Thank you for listening.